Cabin filter, air filter, oil filter, cartridge, A44H D110, transmission fluid, have 5 engine oil for the Mini Cooper. To drain the oil, this is the 8. To remove this one, 27 millimeters. So the cartridge is going to be right here, right there, next to the exhaust. On to drain the oil, it's gonna be this one right there, with this one here. Boom, and get it loose. To drain the transmission is gonna be the plug right here. With the, let's try this one, which is the 5 millimeters. Yeah, 5 millimeter it is. To drain the transmission fluid. So now let's drain the oil. Let it drain, and right now we go for a transmission. So it's 8 millimeters, 5 millimeter for the transmission, and 27 millimeter for the cartridge, the oil filter. This is the part number. And transmission. Cabin filter. And air filter. The oil filter cartridge comes with the seal. Just make sure you replace that. This transmission oil is draining already. Super brown and dark. Let's let it drain. Put the plug back in on the engine oil. So just drain this on the engine oil on the oil filter. Your cartridge is in. Make sure the letters are facing you. Letters facing you. And make sure you have the new seal. And ready to go installed. The way you install it is flip it and tie it. That's all it takes. Also, when you do your oil change, make sure you buy the crush washer for it. It'll be the number right there, I think. I'll replace that one. Still draining the transmission, so maybe we'll install that one. Hand tight. Very good. Cartridge is on. Transmission is done. Try to pull the plug.